carbohydrate, then fiber, then protein. The last two topmost pointing stages. What is that? Fat.